Hi guys, how are we doing? Happy New Year, guys. This is my first video for the year. I hope you guys are good. I hope you're learning. I hope we're going to continue to make some money together. So if you watched my last video for the year 2023, then I feel you would have made some money from the sales I told you to get into. Those sales were good. They were marvelous. They were so straightforward. But then, like I told you in that video, it's just a retracement because we are still in an overall uptrend on GU and AU, which are the pairs of the USD I trade at the moment. So because of that, you want to watch out. So based on that, if we check the DXY, it's still on the downtrend. The last low that was broken was this. So the highest we can get from it is maybe a bit of a retracement in here, then further downward movement until I start seeing a break. Maybe if it breaks this high, even if it breaks this high, that means it's coming for this. There are so many supply zones above it, guys. There are so many supply zones. But as of now, I'm still bearish on DXY. I'm still bearish on it. It's still coming down. So that is why on my AU and GU, I am still bullish. So this is what I have in the coming week. These are the sales. If you have been following me on Instagram, you'll see me posting about how I got into all these major sales. But that's not the issue here. The real issue is we are on an uptrend, and I feel like once it gets to this demand zone, we will start looking to take the move higher. Remember, I told you, with the DXY is bearish, that means AU and GU should be bullish. So because of that, I would be waiting for the market around here. I'm still on some of these trades, waiting to see what happens when it comes there. So once it comes there, it gives me my confirmation, then I'm going to start buying right in this zone. So I'm waiting patiently this coming week for it to come here. Remember, the year just started, so do not go all out on any trade yet. You want to be careful. You want to be patient. So same thing for GU. I'm waiting for it to, swipe this liquidity to come to this demand zone. Then I'm going to see how I can buy. So that's what I have on GU. GBPCHF, same thing. I had a break of structure, I think, on the 4 hours. So I have a little supply zone above here. I still feel this is bearish until if it breaks this consolidation. You know, there are three phases in Forex. We have the consolidation phase, expansion, then the retracement. So this was when it was consolidating, it expanded and broke this structure. So we have the retracement back to this area before the real move. So I'm waiting for it to come into this zone. Then I'm going to sell down, guys. Make sure you do not miss it when the move is ready. I'm giving you guys the free trade for the first video of the year. I'm showing you all my trades, which I don't normally do in my videos. In my videos, I might show you one or two, but in this video, I'm going to actually show you all my setup for the beginning of the year. So, same thing for AUDCHF, although this one is a little bit tricky. So let me zoom out so you can see. So I have a little bit of another block here. The overall trend is a downward trend. So I had the break of structure here. So I'm expecting the market to actually come in. Because like I said, we have three phases. This was consolidation, expansion. I was waiting for this retracement, but I think it left me and came back down here. So I'm trying to see if it breaks this low again and gives me another block to target on, then I'm going to continue the sell. But if not, I'll be waiting here to see if I can join in on the sell. EURGBP. What do I have on EURGBP again? Fantastic. So we had the supply zone, it was hitting. I told you it was going to sell. Go and check my previous video. So if you're able to catch some of these, congratulations. But anyways, I have a break here and I'm waiting for it to tap into here before, moving us at least back down to this low. I will not be going beyond this low. Although on the higher time frame, I have a bit of a space. I'm actually waiting for the markets to fill low. So let me give you on the, I think it's on the weekly. So let's see where are you. So, so on the weekly, you can see after we broke this, we broke all these highs. This gap was never filled. So I'm thinking the market might be heading there to fill up that gap. But like you can see, the weekly candle is actually a very big red candle. But that is not enough confirmation. So the first thing we want to see is for this other block to be disrespected. So when the market decides to break this low, it will always give you a chance to retrace back to tap you in before you continue the sell downward. So until then, I will not be looking too far into the future. So even if I am getting in on this sell, like I showed you, I will just be taking it to this low. Then if it breaks the low, it will give me another chance to tap in. Then we'll continue the ride down. It's as easy as that. Do not look too far into the future. Take what you can at the moment. Don't plan on the long-term trade when you are not a swing trader. So it will always give you opportunity to get in again. Trust me, it will always give you opportunity to trust me again. So I'm starting the year afresh with some new students I'm going to be starting with. I just didn't want to start with them the end of the year. I wanted to give them the new energy in me for the new year because I was working on some new stuff, perfected all my strategy, perfected all my videos to help them trade exactly the way I do, see the market exactly the way I do. So if you are interested in joining the team I will be starting with this January, please hit me up. I am not the type that relies on, students giving me money, but then I will be giving you my time. I don't just trade Forex, I do other things. So I will be giving you my time, one-on-one classes and all. So you have to pay for my time, which is just a little token I'm taking for you. But the knowledge you will be getting from what I am going to teach you is going to make you endless amount of money. Trust me. But the most important thing is you have to be ready. You have to know it is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and you have to be disciplined. Without discipline, you can't be in this game. Trust me. If you are the type that you make a rule and you go against it easily, maybe you should not even bother. Don't bother getting into this line of work because it requires strict discipline. I have a soldier friend in the US Army that is a trader. And I think the reason why it was easy for her to get easily and trade easily and make money easily is because she is used to being disciplined. So it was not hard for her to follow the rules 100%. She knows what it is to, be disciplined, punish yourself for the greater reward. Don't be too hasty, wait for the market to come to you, all those things. So if you are thinking, it might not necessarily be through me that you will be, learning this, but then if you are thinking of actually getting into any Forex business, maybe you want to learn somewhere else or something, let me give you this tip. If you know discipline is a very hard game for you, please, I need you to go and train your discipline first. Go and work on your discipline. You can look for books, you can look for things to help you. Most of the best disciplined people in the world are the people that still feel they are not yet disciplined. Yeah, that happens. But then if you know to some certain levels, you can't, stick to your, daily routine, daily goals, daily tasks. If you are still fighting it, then please don't even don't try Forex because it's not something you do with emotions. It's something you do with rules. It's something you trade with rules. Without it, you are just giving your money to the market. So this video is a bit of showing you the trade I have for the first week of the year, then also giving you advice about Forex. So if you need anything, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I will be more than happy to help. Once again, Happy New Year, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. For my binary students as well, I'm starting by 15th of January. That's when we'll start binary. I want the market to, settle a little bit more. Then we'll resume our classes. So for those of you who are already in for the one-time payment, I'll hit you up. And for those that are just joined too, we're going to start all together. And please get ready. And like I said, the courses I sent to you, please make sure you take your time. Without dedicating time to study, you are going nowhere. The more time you use in the chat, the better you get. I always tell you that. So you have to be dedicated to put in the work if you actually want to make the profit. All those people you see online showing you wealth, showing you profit, some of them are liars. They just show you the profits, which is the normal thing. They want you to come and pay for their courses and all. But then, even 1% of them that are real are putting in the work. They spent countless amount of hours on the screen before they got that good. So you don't just think you come and you get it easy and you start making money easily. Even if you get lucky at the beginning, you're still going to lose it because the same indiscipline that you use to make that money is still the same indiscipline you use to get the market back. And now it's even more dangerous because easily you are going to pump in more money, thinking it's going to be like the first time. You understand? So I need you to be dedicated. I need you to be ready to put in the work, even if you are going to hit me up. So that's just what I have. Thanks once again. Thanks for sticking to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll be releasing I checked my system. I have some live trading sessions that I've never uploaded, and they've been for a while. But I feel like they still have some lessons you will learn like you've been learning on the ones I've posted. So I'll be posting it all first for the year. All those videos are going to come in after this video. I think before next weekend, you'll just see them popping up one after the other. So for binary students, stay tuned to the channel. You'll be getting those videos. Then I'll be releasing some free one-on-one sessions with my students too. Some free videos where I was explaining the market in binary too. You get that for free too. So see that as a New Year gift from me. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.